Good day, viewers. In this video, we are going to be simplifying this fraction containing indices. So let's start with making all of them have a common base. This is 625. All right. This is 125. This is 5. Let's make them all have a common base of 5. So 625 can be expressed as a power of 5. 5 raised to the power of 4 is 625 because 5 times 5 times 5. Let me just write this here. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. So that's what we're going to do right here. Same thing as 125 that we have here. I'm going to express it as a power of 5. So that will be 5 raised to the power of 4. That's this one here. Now this is 625. And then times what I have in the bracket. Just 3x over 4 minus 1. Then plus, what about this now? 125 is 5 raised to the power of 3 because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So let's have x minus 1 here. What I have in the denominator stays the same because it is already having a base of 5. Good. Now look at this. Let's multiply what I have, this 4 and what I have in this bracket. Let's do that right away. I'm going to multiply this 4 by everything I have in this bracket, but I want to quickly do it here so that it will be easy for you to understand. So that will be 4 times what I have here is 3x over 4. Good. Then minus 4 times minus 1 is 4, right? Good. So look at this now. This 4 will take away this 4, and that leaves you with 3x minus 4. Now I have done it here so that it will be neat and it will be visible for you to see clearly here, right? Rather than doing this whole working here. Okay, so moving on now, let me just erase this. So it's going to be 5. Then I have 3x minus 4, just like I simplified this just now. Plus, what about this? 5 raised to the power of 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Good. But look at this. Look at what I have in the denominator. Do you know that this term is being divided by this? All right. And this term too is also being divided by this. Let me give you a simple case. Let's say you have a plus b over c. If you want to split this, this is also a over c plus b over c because c is dividing a and b. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing right here. So I'll just say, okay, this divided by 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 2. Then this one again divided by 5 raised to the power of what? 3x minus 2. I think it's making more sense here. So let's apply the law of indices here. You know, when you have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, they must have a common base. If you want to resolve this, this becomes a raised to the power of b minus c, right? Now, because they have a common base of 5, I can apply the division law of indices right here. Let's do that right away. So it's going to be 5. This one on top now, the numerator, 3x minus 4. I can just include it in the bracket. Then because see, this is division. Can you see division? Then minus the power here, which is 3x minus 2. Okay, of course, we have plus here. Then 5 raised to the power of, I'm coming here now, come here. 3x minus 3. And then minus what I have in the denominator. That's the power in the denominator, which is 3x minus 2. Are you with me? So moving on, this gives you, this is going to be 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 4. So this minus will be used to multiply everything I have in the bracket. Minus times 3x is minus 3x. Then minus times minus 2 is plus 2. Then plus, coming here now, 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 3. Again, we'll have minus here. This minus will be used to multiply everything I have in this bracket. Minus times 3x is minus 3x. And minus times minus 2 is plus 2. So this is now equal to 5 raised to the power of, now let's simplify, 3x. See, look at this, 3x minus 3x is going to be what? 0. So that one is gone already. Okay, now coming to the next one, I have minus 4 here plus 2. What is minus 4 plus 2? That's minus 2. So that's minus 2 here. Okay, then plus, coming here now, this is again, but I have 3x and I have minus 3x. Of course, that is 0. Okay, so that's going to be 5 raised to the power of minus 3. Okay, let me just show you this. Minus 3 here and plus 2. What would that be? Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. Yeah, it is minus 1. So you see, we're almost done with this. Again, one of the laws of indices, if you have a negative index, for example, let's say you have a raised to the power of minus y, this is also 1 over a raised to the power of y. So this minus here is now the fraction you see here, right? It's not the fraction you see. So that is how to resolve negative index. You can express it as a fraction. That negative sign becomes 1 over, then whatever you have left, the base and the power. This right here is going to be 1 over 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over, because of this negative index again, 5 raised to the power of what? 1. You can just not write 1 because 5 raised to the power of 1 is same thing as what? 5. So this is equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25 plus 1 over 5. Now we can simplify further. What's the LCM of 25 and 5? It is 25. So 25 into 25 is 1. 1 times 1 here is 1. Then plus 5 into 25 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So when you add the numerator, 1 plus 5 is 6, then over 25. And this right here is your final answer. I want you to like this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel. And I want you to share this video to your friends and to your family. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.